Profit is defined as earning less expenses, meaning the amount that you earn and then taking out all the stuff that you have to pay for. At the local hot air balloon festival, the Ma and Pop's ice cream truck sells ice cream pops, which costs them 75 cents each, but they sell them for $2 each. They also paid $50 to the festival organizers for the vendor permit. A lot of times when you go and you're going to sell something that you make, you have to pay the location, the place that you are selling at, as a way to use their space. The table below shows the earnings, expenses, and profits earned when 50, 75, and 100 ice cream pops were sold at the festival. Our job in part A is to write an expression that represents the profit of Ma and Pop's earned by selling ice cream pops at the festival. So, we know that they sell the pops for $2 each. These are ice cream pops, so I'm going to use the letter I. Each ice cream is sold for $2, but they have to pay back, so they're going to lose 75 cents for each of those ice creams. And they also lose $50 because they have to pay the festival. In part B, it says write an equivalent expression. So we're actually going to combine these two pieces that have variables because they are the same type of term. When you take $2 and you subtract 75 cents, that leaves you with $1.25. So they are making or earning $1.25 per ice cream that they sell, but they still lose $50 by paying the venue. In part C, it says, how much profit would they make if they sold 20 ice cream pops? So we're going to replace the I with the number 20. And then it says, what does it mean? And explain why this might be the case. So over here on the side, $1.25 times 20. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more makes 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. So they earn $25, and then they have to still pay 50, which leaves them with negative 25. What does that mean? Well, it means they lost money. They didn't earn any money because they didn't sell enough. Then it asks, why might this be the case? Why might they not have sold enough? It could have been cold. Maybe they chose the wrong flavors. Maybe there was a lot of adults there that day and they weren't in the mood for ice cream. There's a lot of reasons why they may not have sold enough. So make sure you come up with one. I just wrote that it could have been a cold day. In part D, it says how much profit would they make if they sold 75. So we're going to again replace that I for ice cream with 75 ice creams. Oh, that should be $1.25. And then we're going to take off the 50. Okay, so 125 times 75. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 2 more makes 12. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more makes 6. Then we need a place value spacer. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 more makes 17. And 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 more makes 8. Add these up. 6 and 7 make 13. 8 and 1 make 9. And then we also need 2 decimal places in our piece here. when you take off 50, you are left with $43.75. And it's a positive number this time. So what does this mean? They made a profit of $43.75 because they sold enough and one reason they may have sold more this day is because it could have been a warmer day.